Today we're cooking scallops with our Cajun-Style Seasoning. Alright, so we have some scallops here. We have them soaking in some salt water. Once we dump that salt water, we're going to add some fresh clean water, give it one more rinse. We're going to pick out a handful here. Alright, we got 5. Those look great. And we're going to bring them over here. Wet. So what we're going to do, we're going to dry them off. That's going to prevent popping in the pan. And that's also going to allow us to get a nice crust on these with our seasoning. Looks really good. Great. All right, I think our pan is just about preheated. Yeah. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter here. Perfect. So we have the butter for flavor, and then we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, probably another tablespoon or so here. That increases our smoke point, so we get a little bit more temperature to work with. And then we're going to move that around so the butter and olive oil get to know each other. I'll turn the pan down to medium-low right now. This looks perfect. And with these scallops, we're going to hit them with Merman's Revenge Cajun Seasoning. One of my personal favorites. Similar to other Cajun seasonings, but some of the things that make ours different, all natural ingredients. There's no chemicals, no preservatives. You can read everything on the back of the label. Another thing is our Cajun seasoning contains real Florida citrus. There are Florida oranges, dehydrated of course, and our Cajun seasoning, which are just there for some tasting notes. They don't take over the show. It still tastes like a Cajun seasoning, but just gives it a little extra flavor profile. All right, so those are ready. Our pan's about ready here, so we're going to place these in. And a nice little sizzle. And these scallops are going to cook pretty quick. So we're going to give those about a minute on that side. These are looking really good here. We're going to see if they're loose yet on the pan. They are. So we give them a little flip there. These look really good. Perfect. Those look great. I'm going to give them an extra little topping of seasoning here. You lose some to the butter. And these are coming along very nicely. One of the other things I really love about our Merman's Revenge Cajun seasoning is it's low sodium. We don't push that really hard on the label, but if you're looking for it, you'll see that it is. And just in general, you get more flavor out of it, and you can really taste all the herbs and spices in here. And it's not very salt forward like a lot of other Cajun seasonings are. And you know, if you want to add more salt, you can, but we let you decide that after the fact. We're going to hit them with the probe here and see what we're at. We want to get to about 130. So it's 90. That one's already about 127, 130. So we're going to give that one more flip here. And that one will probably be about ready. Give this one here. It's 134, so we'll give that one quick flip. This one here. Let's see, this one, flip this one too. And look at that beautiful scallop, the Cajun seasoning there. It's going to have a little bit of heat to it. And yeah, that is absolute perfection right there. Cajun seasoning lightly on there, a light sear. And with these big scallops, these are going to be delicious. So we're going to go ahead and plate them. That one's nice. Right. Those look great. So we're taking a little bit of the butter left over from the pan here, hitting these on top. They'll absorb more of this flavor that we work so hard for. We're going to serve it just like that. It's perfect.